Suppose the amount of caffeine in the body after drinking a cup of coffee containing 240 milligrams of caffeine will decrease at a rate of 14% per hour, and we are going to find out the amount of caffeine in the body after 3.5 hours. So the question is, which formula do we use? Well, the keyword is here we have the rate and we are given a percent. So we are going to use this one. So let me just write it down. I will put on Q for the quantity, and this is equal to A times 1 plus R, R is for the rate, and then raised to the little t's power like this. And now we'll go back to our question and pick out the keywords and also the informations. So first, it says drinking a cup of coffee containing 240 milligrams of caffeine. So this 240 will be the initial amount, namely our A value. And then it says it will decrease. So remember, pay attention to this kind of words. Decrease is a negative word right here. Decrease at a rate of 14% per hour, right? So that means the R is negative. And then the 14% you change out to decimal, which is 0.14. So that's pretty much it. And then right here, the body after 3.5 hours. So this right here tells us the little t is equal to 3.5. All right, so now let's go ahead and get to work. Q is still Q. A, as we can see, is 240. So let's just put that down. And then we are going to multiply by, it's always 1 right here. But again, for the R, be really careful. It's negative 0.14, right? And then we are going to raise this to the t's power, which is 3.5. So let me just put down 3.5. All right, so that's pretty much it, because we can just now use a calculator to figure this out, which you will get approximately 141.56 milligram of the caffeine, right? So that's it.